In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Asana account. Before we begin, a quick but important reminder: deleting your account is irreversible. Once it's gone, you can't get it back, and you'll lose access to everything tied to that account. If there's anything you might need later, such as project details, task notes, or attachments, consider backing up or exporting what's important before you continue. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. First, sign in to your Asana account on the web. In the top right corner of your screen, click your profile photo to open the user menu. From there, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage your profile and all account-related controls. If you're using single sign-on through your company, you'll still be able to access these same settings. Stay on the Account tab once the Settings window opens. Here, you'll see a list of sections that help you manage different parts of your account. Common sections include Organizations and Workspaces, Manage Emails, Security, Deactivation, and Deletion. You don't need to change anything in the other sections. We're going straight to the option that removes your account. Scroll down until you reach the Deletion section. This is where Asana clearly explains the consequences. You should see a message that says, "Deleting your account is a permanent action and cannot be undone." Take a moment to read that and make sure you're certain about proceeding. When you're ready, click Delete Account. Asana will guide you through a few on-screen confirmation steps. These prompts are designed to ensure you understand what will happen next and to confirm that it's really you making the request. Follow each prompt carefully and provide any confirmations requested. Finally, confirm your choice to permanently delete your Asana account. Once confirmed, your account will be removed, and your access to all organizations and workspaces connected to that account will be revoked. This is permanent. You will lose access to all projects, tasks, and workspaces associated with your login. Note that this option is available even if you sign in with SSO. Also, deletion is different from deactivation. Deactivation only removes access, while deletion permanently removes your account itself, and that's how you permanently delete your Asana account. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.